In today's digital age, blogs have become a powerful medium for individuals and businesses to express themselves, share information, and engage with their audience. With the advancement of artificial intelligence, AI, we now have access to powerful language models like ChatGPT, which can assist in creating compelling and interactive content for a blog. In this guide, we will explore the step-by-step process of how to make a blog with ChatGPT, harnessing the capabilities of AI to enhance your content creation. Section 1. Understanding ChatGPT. Explain what ChatGPT is and how it functions as a language model. Highlight the capabilities of ChatGPT, such as generating human-like text, answering questions, and engaging in conversations. Discuss the benefits of using ChatGPT in blog creation, including saving time, generating new ideas, and providing interactive experiences for readers. Section 2. Planning your blog. Define your blog's purpose and target audience. Brainstorm topics that align with your blog's theme and audience interests. Identify the specific areas where ChatGPT can be utilized in your blog, such as writing introductions, generating content outlines, or providing interactive elements. Section 3. Setting up ChatGPT. Explain the technical requirements for using ChatGPT, such as having access to the model and appropriate computing resources. Outline the steps to set up ChatGPT, including registration, API access, and obtaining authentication keys. Provide guidance on selecting the appropriate programming language or platform for integrating ChatGPT into your blog. Section 4. Integrating ChatGPT into your blog. Discuss different integration options, such as using a content management system, CMS, or building a custom solution. Provide code examples or plugins for popular CMS platforms like WordPress or Drupal. Explain how to handle user inputs and utilize ChatGPT's responses effectively within your blog's design and structure. Section 5. Optimizing ChatGPT's performance. Share best practices for fine-tuning ChatGPT's responses to align with your blog's voice and style. Discuss techniques for controlling the output length, ensuring coherence, and avoiding biases. Explore methods to mitigate potential risks associated with AI-generated content, such as fact-checking and moderation. Section 6. Enhancing user experience with ChatGPT. Demonstrate how ChatGPT can be used to create interactive elements on your blog, such as chatbots or personalized recommendations. Provide examples of engaging use cases, such as interactive tutorials, virtual assistants, or storytelling experiences. Discuss the importance of monitoring user feedback and continuously improving the ChatGPT integration based on user interactions. Conclusion. Making a blog with ChatGPT opens up exciting possibilities for content creators to deliver engaging, interactive, and AI-assisted experiences to their readers. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can harness the power of ChatGPT to streamline your content creation process, generate fresh ideas, and enhance user engagement. Remember, while AI can be a valuable tool, it is essential to maintain a balance between automation and human input to ensure the highest quality of content for your blog.